In yet another example of a fact-free, zero-evidence claim spinning its way around the internet, today we have giant crystal pyramids found on the floor of the Atlantic Ocean. These strange structures, 200 meters tall, made of a crystalline substance, were allegedly found through sonar surveying by a German scientist named Dr. Verlag Meyer. This immediately raised red flags for me because Verlag isn't a first name. It actually is a German word meaning publishing house. But people have odd names sometimes, so I decided to take a look and see if I could find out anything about Dr. Meyer, and it seems like there's no mention of him except in this claim. Dr. Verlag Meyer seems to be as illusory as the crystal pyramids he allegedly discovered. That hasn't stopped the claim from circulating, of course. But what I find most annoying is how the sources on this topic pretend that there's all sorts of buzz going on in scientific circles about this non-story. There are several Western scholars who argue that the pyramids on the seabed may have initially been made on the mainland, after which a devastating earthquake struck and changed the landscape completely. Other scientists argue that a few hundred years ago, the waters of the Bermuda Triangle area may have had as one of the cornerstone activities of the people of Atlantis, and pyramids on the seafloor may be a supply warehouse for them. Perhaps it is related to the underwater race of humanoids discovered in Washington state in 2004, the so-called aquatic ape beings. Yeah, all the scientists I know spend their time researching the Bermuda Triangle, Atlantis, and aquatic ape beings. Of course, a complete lack of evidence doesn't seem to bother these people at all. They're content to blather on regardless. There is also a suspicion that the Bermuda Triangle and the area where this pyramid was supposedly located may be some sort of holy ground that is being protected by the fabled Atlanteans, that whatever crosses over the location is considered an offering. Others hypothesize that the pyramid can attract and collect cosmic rays from the so-called energy field or quantum vacuum, and that this may have been used as an Atlantean power plant. With the mystery still surrounding the Egyptian pyramids, and the fact that pyramidal structures seem to be found in almost all ancient cultures, it is going to be hard to tell for certain the origin of the structure or if it truly exists. We haven't been down there yet, after all. Reading this made me shout at my computer, "Do you even know what a cosmic ray is, you Nimrod?" My computer didn't answer, which I'm taking as a no. But I'm guessing that the people who wrote this claim don't have any idea what a cosmic ray is, any more than the people who wrote the abysmal 1960s show Lost in Space did, wherein they appended the word cosmic to things to make them seem cosmic. Like when Dr. Smith and the robot and Will Robinson would run around and yell, "Danger, danger, there's a cosmic storm!" And then there would suddenly be a lot of wind and blow over cardboard props and styrofoam rocks and the like. And then suddenly in the midst of all this, there would be a cosmic noise. An alien would suddenly appear out of nowhere. These aliens included a pirate with an electronic parrot on his shoulder, a motorcycle gang, a group of alien space hippies, some teenagers, and in one extremely memorable episode, Brunhilde, complete with a winged helmet and a cosmic horse. But I digress. The pièce de résistance part of the article on the glass pyramids, though, are the illustrations, such as this one. Nowhere does it say that these are artist illustrations, so a less than careful reader might think they were actual photographs of crystal pyramids on the floor of the Atlantic Ocean. But later on in the article, there are other photographs that might clue an unwary reader into figuring out that these really aren't photographs. I actually rather like this one, although it does bring up the inevitable question of where is the water going? But since another woo-woo claim is that the Earth is hollow, I suppose they'd have an answer for that too. So that's our dip in the deep end of the pool for the day. Allow me to summarize that there is no credible evidence that there are pyramids, crystal or otherwise, on the floor of the Atlantic Ocean. Pyramids don't concentrate quantum frequency cosmic vacuum vibrations or whatnot, despite what you may have read from such luminaries as Richard C. Hoagland, who, you may recall, thinks there are crop circles on Saturn. I'd like to think that this would put an end to the discussion, but that's probably a forlorn hope, because at the time I wrote this, the Facebook link for the claim had already been forwarded, liked 10,000 times. So my feeble efforts are probably going to be about as effective as if the captain of the cruise ship in the earlier photograph were to shout, "Reverse engines!" Thanks for watching this. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. Resources are down there. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks.